Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel once again, and in today's lecture we are going to learn about the slope charts. The slope charts are non-traditional chart, but it is made with modification of line chart. It is used to check the slope and steepness of a data as to how much changes or how much steeply the data has changed or may change in future. And one condition of this line chart, this slope chart, is that you cannot have more than two values in x-axis, because one point and another point. Only within the 2 point the comparison will be made, and we will see how steeply the data is changed. Let's say you have 2 years like 2019 and 2020, and there are certain figure of each year, and a comparison can be made between these two figures. So let's create a slope chart using this data in Excel. Here we have 7 countries: India, China, USA, Italy, Germany and UK. And this is the dummy figure of a GDP. Like India's present GDP is 8.5, China 7.2, USA 4.1, and so on. And this is 2025 E. E means estimated. So this is the estimated GDP for the year 2025 generated by the Moody. The Moody is a forecasting agency, so they have forecasted the GDP of India, China, USA may be like this. So there may be some decrease or increase, so whatever it may be, so Moody has forecasted this way. As their condition of the slope chart is that there should not be more than two values in the x-axis, so we can create a slope chart using this data. So let's see how we can create a slope chart using this data. Let's delete this one and then start from scratch. Select the data like this and then go to insert. As there is no any inbuilt slope chart, we have to insert a line chart like this. So this is a line chart. Here we have the country as an x-axis and the color, this 2023 and 2025 is a legend. So we know that if we want to interchange between the legend and the x-axis, then we know how it is to be done. So we can do it. Select the chart, go to chart design, and then switch rows and columns. When you click this one, then legend will become the axis and the axis will become legend. Let's do it. Now all India, China, USA, Italy and Germany has become the legend, means there is a different color for each country, and 2023 and 2025 has become the x-axis. You may be confusing why the x-axis is here in the middle. The axis is not in the middle, it is in the 0, but there is a minus figure, that's why the line charts are coming below the x-axis. Now let's delete this legend. We do not need this legend because we are going to put the legend name of the country against each slope chart. Delete it, and then let's also delete these grid lines. Now let's bring this x-axis a little bit down so that it remains below the chart. So to do so, we need to go to the chart option, label, then label position from next to axis to low, then it will come down here. This only appearance, the axis still remain here at 0, but the label title is coming down at the bottom so that the chart is not being disturbed. We can see the chart clearly. All right, now we need to remove this one, is not necessary. We can remove this one, and then we will put the data level against each chart. So select the chart first, go to chart design, go to add elements, and then data level. You can put either at the center, left or right, whatever way you have to put, then we will manually manage it. Okay, I'm putting at the right. Okay, this side is okay because it is coming at the end of the chart, but this side is not proper, so we need to move data levels by manually. So first, to move manually, you select the data level, and then again to move the single data level you click again, then it will select only this one, and when your cursor turns to 4 arrow, then click and drag it like this. Then again click this one, right, again click, then move like this. Here also you click. It's a little bit tricky. You have to do very carefully. And then like this. Sometimes, see, this is not happening. Sometimes it moves. Then yeah, drag like this here. Now we can read it. Okay, now we need to put the country name here. So select it and then go to series name, India. Oh sorry, we need to put the India name only here, not here. So we have to undo it and then again click it so that it select only one of the data level. Then series name. Now click this one again click and then tick series name, this one. Now change the chart title as slope chart or Moody's GDP estimate forecast. So this is how we can create slope chart in Excel by modifying the inbuilt line chart. I believe that you find this lecture useful. If you think so, please hit the like button and also drop your feedback in the comment below. Finally, don't forget to don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also share the video to your friends. That's it for this lecture, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.